Hello students, today we are starting exercise 1C. Question number 1 of this exercise is write true or false. And its first part is 10 upon 21 divided by 8 upon 9 is equals to 8 upon 9 divided by 10 upon 21. Let's check it. 10 upon 21, when you divide fractions, how do you write? Multiply and reciprocal of this, that means 9 upon 8. 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. So in numerator you have 5 multiply 3, 5 3s are 15 upon 7 4s are 28. This is left hand side. On right hand side, 8 upon 9 multiply, write its reciprocal, 21 upon 10. 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. So what you have in numerator? 4 multiply 7, which is 28, and 3 multiply 5 is 15. 15 upon 28 is not equals to 28 upon 15. But here they have given equal sign, so this is false. Next, addition distributes over multiplication in rational numbers. Whether we talk about the rational numbers or whole numbers, we write A multiply B plus C. So multiplication distributes over addition. This will be A multiply B plus A multiply C. So multiplication distributes over addition, but here they said addition distributes over multiplication. So this is false. Next, the reciprocal of minus 5. Reciprocal of minus 5 will be 1 upon minus 5. Or we can say minus 1 upon 5. But they have given a positive value. So this is false. Next, fourth part, 3 by 4 divided by minus 8 upon 7. Multiply its reciprocal, 7 upon minus 8. So this is 3 7s are 21 upon 4 8s are 32. Okay. So this is also a rational number. This is of minus sign. This is also a rational number, and they said is a rational number. So this is true. Next, 0 multiply 4 upon 5 is equals to 4 upon 5 multiply 0 implies that 0 is the multiplicative identity for rational numbers. 0 can never be a multiplicative identity, because when we multiply any whole number, any rational number with 0, we get 0. And multiplicative identity means if we multiply multiplicative identity with any number, we get the same number. So multiplicative identity is always 1. So this is false. Next, multiply. First part is 6 upon 7. 6 upon 7 by 2 upon 3. We check whether the numerator or denominator is divisible by any same number or not. Yes, this 6 and this 3 both are divisible by 3. So cut them. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So what we are getting in numerator? In numerator we have 2 2s are 4, and in denominator we have 7 1s are 7. So this is your answer. Now look at the third part. Multiply minus 12 upon 13 by minus 5 upon 18. Check whether the numerator and denominator are divisible by any same number. Yes, this 12 and this 18 both are divisible by 6. 6 2s are 12 of minus sign, 6 3s are 18. Okay. Now in numerator we have 5 2s are 10, minus minus plus, 13 3s are 39. So your answer is 10 upon 39. Now check the fifth part. 5 whole 1 upon 7 multiply by minus 2 whole 1 upon 3. Firstly, you will change these mixed into the improper. 7 5s are 35 plus 1 36 upon 7. multiply 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7 minus 7 upon 3. Now check whether the numerator or denominator both are divisible by any same number. Yes, this 36 and this 3 both are divisible by 3. So cut them. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Again here also the 7 and the 7, 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7 of minus sign. So now what do you have in numerator? 12 multiply minus 1, 12 1s are 12 of minus sign, and in denominator you have 1, which can be written as minus 12. So this is your answer. Next question is simplify question number 3rd, and they have given minus 6 upon 7 multiplied by minus 28 upon 18. So right here minus 6 upon 7 multiplied by minus 28 upon 18. Firstly you will solve this bracket, okay, plus minus 11 upon 13 multiplied by 65 upon 22. Okay. Firstly you will solve these brackets. Now check in this bracket first one whether the numerator or denominator is divisible by any same number. Yes, the 7 and this 28. 7 1s are 7, 7 4s are 28 of minus sign. 6 1s are 6, 6 minus 1, 6 3s are 18. In this one 11 1s are 11 of minus sign, 11 2s are 22. 13 1s are 13 and 13 5s are 65. Now in first bracket in numerator you have minus 1 multiply minus 4. 4 1s are 4 and minus minus plus. In denominator 3 1s are 3. Plus in this bracket 5 1s are 5 of minus sign and denominator is 2 1s are 2. Now open the bracket first. 4 upon 3 plus minus minus 5 upon 2. Take the LCM of these denominators. LCM will be 6. To make this 3 6, with which number you will multiply it? You will multiply by 2 because 3 2s are 6. So multiply this numerator by 2. Minus, to make this 2 6, you will multiply it by 3. 2 3s are 6. So multiply this numerator by 3. Now solve them. 4 2s are 8 minus 5 3s are 15 upon 6. Both have different signs, so subtract them. 15 minus 8 is 7 and sign will be of greater numeral, which is minus upon 6. This is your answer. Now the next part. Firstly you will solve these brackets. Okay. So this is minus 4 upon 5 multiply 15 upon 8 plus minus 1 upon 3 multiply minus 9 upon 7 minus 2 upon 9 multiply by 27 upon 14. Now cut the numerator and denominator if they are divisible by any same number. 4 1s are 4 of minus sign, 4 2s are 8. 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. In this one 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9 of minus sign. 9 1s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14. Now in first bracket you have 3 1s are 3 of minus sign upon 2 1s are 2 plus in this bracket in numerator you have 1 multiply 3 is 3 and minus minus plus. Denominator 7 1s are 7 minus 3 1s are 3 in numerator and in denominator 7 1s are 7. Open the bracket first. Minus 3 upon 2 plus 3 upon 7 minus 3 upon 7. Students, firstly calculate those rational numbers which have same denominator. Okay, 3 upon 7 minus 3 upon 7 will be 0. Why? Because if we subtract same numbers we get 0. So what we have now? Minus 3 upon 2. This is your answer. Next question number 4 is fill in the blanks. minus 18 upon 37 multiply 11 upon 40 is equals to 11 upon 40 multiply dash. This is common on both the sides. So what is remaining here? This. So put it here. And you know A multiply B is equals to B multiply A. This is commutative property of multiplication. Similarly, minus 5 upon 12 is common on both the sides. So what is remaining here? Minus 19. And this is also A multiply B is equals to B multiply A. So this is again commutative property. In this one we are multiplying three numbers. Okay, so 6 upon 11 is not on the right hand side. You will write here. 20 upon 21 of minus sign is on both the sides. Minus 7 upon 8 is on both the sides. Okay, and we are multiplying here three numbers. This is A multiply B in bracket multiply C is equals to A multiply in bracket B multiply C. So which property is this? Associative property. Next, here again we are multiplying three numbers. So minus 21 upon 40 is on both the sides. 17 upon minus 24 is on both the sides. What is remaining here? 3 upon 7. So put 3 upon 7 here. This is again associative property. Okay. In this we have 2 upon 9 multiply in bracket we have minus 4 upon 9 plus 6 upon 17 is equals to, this is distributive property students. You will distribute this 2 upon 9 inside the bracket. Okay, so 2 upon 9 multiply minus 4 upon 9 plus 2 upon 9 multiply 6 upon 17. This is distributive property. Now question number 5. Verify the statement. Also name the properties of the multiplication illustrated by these statements. Okay. So firstly they said to verify these statements. In fifth, students, I am doing second part. First part you will do yourself. Okay. So they have given 8 upon 7 multiply 9 upon minus 10 is equals to 9 upon minus 10 multiply 8 upon 7. This they have given. Firstly we will calculate the left hand side, then right hand side, then we will check whether they are equal or not. Okay, so calculate left hand side. Left hand side is 8 upon 7 multiply 9 upon minus 10. Numerator and denominator both are divisible by 2. So cut them. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10 of minus sign. Okay. Now what do you have? 4 9s are 36 upon 7 5s are 35 of minus sign. Now calculate the right hand side. 9 upon minus 10 multiply 8 upon 7. 10 and 8 both are divisible by 2. So cut them. 2 5s are 10 of minus 9. 2 4s are 8. 9 4s are 36. 5 7s are 35. And this is of minus sign. So on left hand side this was 36 upon minus 35, which is equals to 36 upon minus 36 upon 35. Okay. So left hand side is equals to right hand side. Left hand side is equals to right hand side. Okay. So we have verified. And which property was this? A multiply B is equals to B multiply A. This is commutative property. Now the sixth question, I am doing the second part of question number 6. First part you will do yourself. Firstly calculate the left hand side, which is minus 7 upon 6 multiply minus 2 upon 5. Okay. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So what you are getting? 3 upon 8 is also there. Okay. Firstly you will solve the bracket. In bracket now you are getting 7 1s are 7. minus minus plus upon 3 5s are 15. Multiply 3 upon 8. Now open the bracket. 7 upon 15 multiply 3 upon 8. 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15. What you are getting on left hand side? 7 ones are 7 upon 5 8s are 40. So on left hand side you are getting 7 upon 40. Now calculate the right hand side. Right hand side was this. Okay. Minus 7 upon 6 multiply minus 2 upon 5 multiply 3 upon 8. Now firstly you will solve these two terms. Why? Because these are enclosed in bracket according to BODMAS. Firstly we solve the bracket now. So 2 ones are 2 of minus sign, 2 4s are 8. What we are getting in numerator? 3 ones are 3 of minus sign, and in denominator 5 4s are 20. Now open the bracket. Minus 7 upon 6 multiply minus 3 upon 20. Now solve them and cut the numerator and denominator if they are divisible by any same number. 3 ones are 3 of minus sign, 3 2s are 6. Okay. Now what do you have in numerator? In numerator you have 7 ones are 7 and minus minus plus upon 22s are 40. So on left hand side it was 7 upon 40. On right hand side also this is 7 upon 40. So left hand side is equals to right hand side verified. And we were multiplying three numbers in the form a multiply b in bracket then c, which is equals to a multiply b multiply c. So which property is this? This is associative property. Okay. So students, today we have completed from question number 1 to 6 of exercise 1C. In next class we will continue with this exercise. Till then practice all the questions as much as possible. Thank you. Have a good day.